best right alone, the industry lost over $60 million.
60
No,
million.
don't laugh. When you had
Is it 60 or 60?
60. One aircraft has 14 best rights. If you remove 14 engines, multiply by 3. So we are not making things up here. If you lose 14 engines, multiply by $3 million. How much does 14? That's 42 from one airline alone.
So $60 million.
Yes, over $60 million lost to best right.
Every year.
Just last
Yes.
year.
Last year alone, over $60 million lost to best right.
So if
then the issue of delays, that one is costing us over 20-something billion naira in losses, cancellations, losses, refunds. Because once you delay, someone will be asking for a refund. FPC alone will refunded over $1 billion in just a few months.
Sorry, the figure again.
In January, 20 billion, 527 million. 20 million.
Because they're 527 million. January alone.
In 1 month.
In 1 month alone. The episode is $1 billion in a month, not over time. So that's why I said that we've lost over 20 billion in flight delays.
Okay, and to take it further, sir.
It has not abated. It is increasing. In fact, let me tell you, last 2 weeks we had a
Listen, gentlemen, listen.
Last 2 weeks,
He's right.
Okay.
last week we had a best strike in Benin on our Airbus. We sent the brand new E2 to go and rescue the passengers. As he was going in, he had a best strike. Yes, you can find out from NCA. So we're not making it up.
Is it Benin?
Benin.
Okay.
You say okay. Please. This complaint about communication, the airlines do communicate. I'm not trying to excuse us that sometimes mistakes are not made. We're also human. But the fact is that I've also been at the airport where somebody was watching pornographic movie on his tablet, and they announced his flight. I was seated at the business class lounge. The staff came in there to call business class passengers that your flight to Abuja has been announced. He just pushed the guy away with a wave of the hand, scolded the guy for even disturbing him, only for him to attract my attention to what the man was watching. Porno. I now told the staff